Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are trying these LED semi-cured gel nail polish strips from the Dollar Tree. These are from Must Have Beauty MHB. I got two different colors, these like sparkly silver ones and these like mauve reddy ones. Must Have Beauty MHB also was selling a LED lamp to go with these. However, most of the Dollar Trees around my area did not have the LED lamp. They were all sold out. They only had the nail strips. So I'm just going to be using this one from Jelsi that I got a while ago in PR. This is very similar to the one that they are selling at the Dollar Tree. It's just like a little 6 LED stand up on its own USB type of a thing. I do know that this one has a 60-second cure time, so it already is like timed out for like a minute, and that's just what we're going to use today. And I've never used LED semi-cured nail strips. We're going to use these red ones because, so my nails are green. I recently dyed my hair dark green, and when I wash it out, my nails and hands get stained because I don't wear protective gloves when I'm showering, because who has time for that? So yeah, just don't bother with that. But I've already filed and used some acetone on my fingernails, so they should be nice and clean and dry. I just used the 100% acetone nail polish remover from the Dollar Tree. That's just where I always get my nail polish. On this box, there are no directions. There are no directions in the box. There are no directions on the box. It doesn't come with any directions. It just comes with the 12 LED nail strips in a sealed package. So we're on our own, Al Capone. I have no clue what I'm doing. I don't know if there are instructions on the Must Have Beauty LED lamp, but I don't know. From what I understand from other brands like Dashing Diva or Mayu, or I don't know who else has semi-cured nail polish strips, you basically stick them on, trim them, cure them, and then that's that. But what we're actually going to do is stick them on, trim like 2 of them and keep the other 2 long and see if it like hardens up, and then we'll trim it after. I've seen it done both ways where you can trim before or after, and I don't know what's the best way. If anything else, these are really nice nail strips. I could have stretched that one out a little bit. That you could probably just wear them as regular nail strips without curing them. I think I'm going to use that one for that. They do run a little bit on the smaller side. If you can see, I have a lot of space on this nail in particular. I will also have to say, I'm not like the best of the best about accuracy when it comes to putting nail strips on. All right, and then we're gonna leave the middle finger and the pointer finger long so that we can see if it like cures at all. Because from how I understand it, the semi-cured nail strips are just that, semi-cured. So when you stick them underneath the lamp, they should harden up. So we're going to leave it long to see if it hardens up. And we're only going to cure it for the 60 seconds. I don't know if it's supposed to be any more or less than that. So, all right, too short, too long, going under the lamp. curing for 60 seconds. We will be right back after 60 seconds. Okay, cured for 60 seconds. These are still very pliable. So I don't really feel like that did anything. Let's try it for another 60 seconds to see. I'm really just trying to see if it hardens. Applies like a strip, hardens to a nail, rich, bold color, and shine. So if they're LED semi-cured, the idea is that when you put them on and then you cure them underneath a lamp, which this is a similar lamp to the one that they're selling at the Dollar Tree, these nail strips should harden underneath LED curation. If this little lamp doesn't work, I do have a more industrial LED lamp that we could try out as well. Even if they don't cure, they still are nice nail strips that you could use just as the nail strips. But it would kind of be a bummer if they don't actually cure. No, these aren't curing down at all. Okay. Or at least they're not curing down with this little lamp. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to file this down a little bit. See how it's like hard, soft. And what we're going to do is we're going to get, for this hand, we're going to get the more industrial LED lamp. So give me 1 second. Okay, I have my lamp from OPI. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put the nail strips on my right hand. And we're going to see if a little bit more of a heavy duty, not industrial, but a little bit more of a heavy duty lamp cures the strips at all, or if Must Have Beauty is playing with us. Because these don't feel like, I would expect a semi-cured LED nail strip to feel a little bit thicker. And maybe I'm wrong for thinking that. But these aren't very thick at all. They're very, very thin, which is nice for just like a plain old nail sticker. But these feel like the, what are they? The Be Pure nail wraps. That's kind of what these feel like. I'm leaving them all long because I want to see what we can get. And again, there were no instructions, so maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe there's an extra step that I have to do. But again, from what I can gather from other brands' nail strips, it's just you stick them on, you cure them, and then you file them the way you want them. And the idea is that you can, I believe, file them before or after you've cured them. So I don't know. So either way, this should get hard whether I file it before or afterwards, because it should be like cured like gel polish. So we're going to stick it underneath the OPI to see if this does any better job of curing the nail strips versus this LED lamp, which this does actually work for like curing things. They do sell their own like gel polish things or gel like stickers, and I have used it before. But maybe this will work a little bit better because it's enclosed, it's different LEDs. Nope. Still not curing. Let's go one more time. Because you never know. I'm also not the best at gel polish, as evidenced in prior videos. Just something I can't get the steps down right, or I like do too thick of a coat or something. It's still a skill set that I have not learned well. All right, this was the second time. Nope. Still flimsy, still floppy. So I guess there we have it. Like, all of that should be like a hard cure. Not that these are like gel extensions. It's not necessarily that like you're trying to use them as a gel extension so that they're like hard. It's that gel polish hardens or like cures underneath the LED. And so these shouldn't be able to like fold in half. It should be stiff. Let me just do my thumbs real quick so that at least I can have... There's still a very nice nail polish strip. So like, would I recommend getting these? Yeah, not as like an LED, but just as like a nail strip. Like, that's a very nice color. It's very thin. It has a nice stretch. So even though these are relatively small nail strips, you could stretch them to fit your nails. I just wouldn't waste my money on the LED lamp that like supposedly goes with it, because I don't think that's actually going to do anything. Yeah, very nice, like actual polish strips. They're just not like LED. And these, yeah, you can see, like, I don't know if you can see, but I'm pressing in with my nail. It's like indenting. Again, if these were LED, like actual gel polish strips, like I don't think you'd be able to like indent it because it'd be cured underneath the LED light. Whether you're using like the Dollar Tree one or like a more industrial one. I say this is industrial because like this is my heavy duty one versus like this travel one. So yeah, nice nail strips, definitely not like curable. So if you are going to get these were $1.25. I do believe that the LED lamp that is advertised with it or that's like put out with it is also $1.25. So like, you're not going to be spending too much money on it, but these don't like cure like I believe the Dashing Diva ones do or like the Mayu ones do or other brands do. But I would still recommend these as like a nice nail strip because like the color is really, really nice. Where's the other? Oh, here. Here's the other ones that have like sparkle to it. Like those are really, really nice colors and sparkles. They have a lot more like nude ones or like more neutral, I should say, in this brand than they do in like the Be Pure that has like all of the fun designs and things like that. So again, if you're looking for a nice nail strip, just like a regular nail polish strip, these are still really nice for the Dollar Tree, $1.25. Can't beat it. It comes in some really nice packaging where it's like fully sealed. $1.25 for 12 pieces. Can't beat that. These were the must-have beauty semi-cured gel nail strips that don't actually need to be cured. They just need to be applied. And they're still really, really nice. So again, no instructions came with them, but yeah. I will try and link these down in the description box below. However, Dollar Tree is kind of hard to link because I got these in store and they don't offer everything online that's in store. And if they do, online orders are bulk. So yeah, I will try and link these down if they have them anywhere else other than just the Dollar Tree. But if you found this video helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.